Alright, hey, what's up everybody? It's Cody here from Gene Media. I wanted to show you guys a little thing I was doing in image editing here. So I'm using GIMP on Linux, and the same thing will work in Photoshop too. So I was saying I wanted to do a quick like text effect. So let's drop something in, like first, and then second line here. Do something like that. It's kind of like a motivational quote here. So first thing I'm going to do is down here in this bottom corner, you got my layers, right? So I'm going to duplicate each layer. I'm going to take one of these duplicates, I'm going to filter and add Gaussian blur to kind of spread it out and then make it kind of glow like that. And I'm going to repeat the process on this one. Hang on, if I did this right. Duplicate each track and then do the blur here, and then I'm gonna color it. So I go up into the color settings and I adjust the color, hue chroma. Turn this up, and then let's make this green, and then turn down the lightness. So I'm just going through adding like, I don't know, as many of these as I can make, and then I'll figure out what to do with them. So let's apply the colors again. Like I could overlay this image with another, or this text with another image, black background there. I could make that transparent or at least blend it somehow. So what color is this one going to be? Orange looks good. Sure. And we're done. Export. Name it, make it so I can find it, and that's it. It's a pretty quick process, kind of a workaround because I don't have like just effects. Like I can't just like add a glow to it as its own setting. So you gotta kind of work around the situation where you can on this one anyways, but it achieves the same effect. So that's kind of what I was getting at. Yeah, so if you watch the whole thing and you like the material, then go ahead and do all the things, and hope to see you again in the next one. Alright, bye.